Okay guys, welcome back. It is a Friday morning here in Brisbane on the 25th of June 2020 as we come into sight for Hilton here at Prince Street at Paddington, and the plumber's just doing his bit. It's his second day here with the excavator. He tore up the whole place, putting all the pipes in, and we're going to start on the fencing. We've got some fence posts to fit for the builder to just go down this side here. I'm going to start putting those on, so he's got something to do over the weekend. He's already started putting the fences up on that side, and then from there we go to welding off and getting heights, getting it all ready for next week when we start putting steel beams in. But we've got to get all the thing correct, got to go through fine tune it now. I like going double checking because you get the heights reasonably okay, but then before you leave the site, or before I leave the site, I go through again and make sure we're within 5 mil over the whole building. So we're going through with the dumpy again today and on Monday to double check all the posts are at the right height, so the builder has something decent to work on. As I heard again from my mate Roger this morning, he's working on a house now where the house stump is left at 50 mil out of level, and you know, up to 50 mil, that's a long way. 2 inches is a long way. You're trying to build a house, trying to get it all right, and you've got to think that the house re-stumped at 2 inches out. It's not good. So we go through and double check it all, and double check it on the floor, not just the bearer. But that's what we're doing today. Thought we'd just get this video in. So we got that started. The plumber's almost finished. He'll be out of here and out of our hair in the next few hours. And we start putting some strut braces in and start doing a whole stack of things. Getting all those, changing all those coaches over to the right size, you know, tie it all down. Make sure we got it right. We've only got 2 acros left, or 3 acros left holding the building. We're going to get rid of those in the next 2 days. As we put the C channel up here at the front. I've got all the little C channels down there. We've got a C channel for a stab stringer. There's a lot of shit going yet. Whoops, I shouldn't have said that, should I? Anyway, that's where we're at. We're going to start on there. So Frank's going to get the welder ready and we go put these posts up, get them out of the way so the builder has something to continue with on the weekend and early next week. Keep me out of my hair. Right. Thanks guys for viewing. Catch you again soon. Don't forget the like button. Yeah, there it is. There. The like button just down there. And the subscribe. Oh, subscribe first, like button. Yeah. If you wouldn't mind, it'd be much appreciated. Okay, talk again soon. See yous.